We don't know how dangerous this, guys. So we gotta see it, all right?
Yeah.
So are you ready for this, Noah?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's go. Right now, try to find some dry wood. What happens, like, it's gonna be a little bit hard. Apparently yesterday, not apparently, actually it's a fact that yesterday was a big rain, I mean, it rained hard. So we'll see if we can find that here. But this place is beautiful. It's very hidden, man. I don't know if I can tell you where is the location, but we are about to find out. But we are here to find a secret treasure. Noah, Dominic, Mama, and me we are about to find out that, all right? But first we have to make some fire, right? Okay, let's go. The all good things about this is like we don't hurt the tree. We just take a little bit of the dry area of the surface of the tree, to make that fire. Yeah, we're gonna try to turn these on, the fire on in the camp here, and after that we're gonna see if we can find the treasure, right, Noah?
Yeah.
All right, you heard that, guys. There's the treasure there. I don't know where, but yeah, we're gonna see. All right. We're ready to do the fire. We gotta put the fire here on that side. Good to go, guys. Let's see, Who wants some pollita?
Mira.
Careful, this is hot.
I want to eat my nose.
Yes. We got some we got some garlic and onions here, guys.
Pollito. I'm going to eat.
Ya va.
Right. How's that taste?
Hot.
Delicious.
The map, there's no map. We have to find for some signal of gold coin on the floor. If we would find one, we have to find the next one. And that's it. That's what we got to do. All right?
But we have to find a lot.
A lot. Okay. Right? You ready?
All right.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's walk. Give me a hand.
Let's go. We have to find the treasure.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yes, sure. All right, guys. That's why you gotta walk carefully on the forest because you don't know what you could find here. All right. This is it, man. All right, this is it. Hidden waterfall and the hidden treasure. Is that right, Noah?
Yeah. Oh man. Oh my God. Mango. Touch tape. Touch tape, Mama.
More.